Cache Giraffe may require location permission because some app features depend on your device location settings being available. By the end, you'll know how to enable location access for Cache Giraffe, fix permission errors, and check the settings that stop the app from working correctly. The first fix is checking your phone's location permission for Cache Giraffe. If permission is disabled, the app cannot access location-based features that require it. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Cache Giraffe, and open Permissions. Find Location and allow access if it is turned off. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to Cache Giraffe, tap Location, and choose the available permission option that allows the app to access location. If location permission is already enabled, but Cache Giraffe still shows an error, turn the permission off and back on. This refreshes the connection between the app and your phone's permission system. Next, check that your phone's location services are enabled. A permission inside the app does not work if the main location service setting on your device is disabled. After changing the settings, close Cache Giraffe completely and reopen it. Restarting the phone can also help refresh system permissions. You should also update Cache Giraffe from the official App Store. Older app versions can sometimes have compatibility issues with newer phone operating systems and permission settings. If the problem continues, check that you are using the correct Cache Giraffe account. Account settings and available features can vary depending on the account connected to the app. A stable internet connection also matters because Cache Giraffe needs to communicate with its servers after permission changes are made. Avoid using modified versions of Cache Giraffe because unofficial apps can cause permission problems and affect normal account functions. The main fixes are simple. Enable location access, turn on your phone's location services, and update the app. These steps cover the most common reasons Cache Giraffe asks for location permission. Your next step is to open your device settings and check Cache Giraffe's location permission first. If this guide fixed your issue, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.